I've always wanted to do this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you remember in my previous reviews, I've been reviewing a lot of luxury cars. So let's tone down a bit and go with the normal cars. So what I have here behind me is a Kia Stonic EX trim. This is the top trim variant of the Stonic. But, disclaimer, I'll be driving a mid-variant version, the LX. Actually, I drove this white Stonic LX in Landers before, but I couldn't film it. But when I drove it, it got me intrigued, so I wanted to do my own review on these cars. So yeah, anyway, I'll show you around, then we will have a test drive. A lot of you probably know by now that this car is designed by a ex-Audi engineer who also did everybody's favorite Kia right now, the Kia Stinger GT, and this Stonic as well. So seeing this now in the flesh, I understand why everyone calls it the baby Stinger. Yeah, looks really good. Also, in the flesh, I never realized there is no grill here. The grill here is on here and the radiator. So this is just a closed space. So I was intrigued with the design, but it actually looks good on this. Oh yeah, before we move on, I just wanted to try to do this with filter. So this is how it looks like without my filter. And that now. So I just want to try it out. Since it's a bright color, so I wanted to try my own filter. So anyway, so with our market now being oversaturated with so many dang crossovers, okay, I don't get the market, but there are some cars like what this is based on, the Rio for the hatchback. Okay, then everyone just lifts everything up for no reason at all. Like some brands like the Expander, the base expander is as good as it is, but the cross, what's with all the cladding? It's just my opinion. So my opinion also with crossovers, if you're gonna lift something up like based on a sedan, hatchback, whatever, make it look different. And with this one, kind of passes my my taste with crossovers. Look, it doesn't look like a Rio at all. I'll say it again, looks like a baby Stinger. This is the exact car I drove in Landers. This is the middle variant that I will be driving, but I'm gonna show you another. There are little differences, like the grille, it's not chrome. This is a silver lining. You have halogen lights, body colored door handles. This is not a two-tone roof, unlike the LX. Actually, just very little differences only. So I'll show you the EX inside. So here's the EX trim in the showroom. DRLs. This one's a chrome in the grille. The two-tone roof. There, it's black. and chrome door handles. Actually, there's a bit more chrome bits around. There are very few differences with the variant, the LX, and the top trim EX. But at least, unlike some other manufacturers, Kia is not short of equipment level. So, what equipment you get in here is also available in the LX. Ground clearance of this is 180 millimeters. So that's actually not bad for a small crossover on which is based on. And I see some reviews. Okay, straight cladding and then yoink. A bit OC, but no, but I get it. There's style, a bit of style to it, so that's fine. At least the cladding does not look like a Mazda CX-30 where it's oversized, but this one is fine. Looks like the Kona actually. Oh yeah, I haven't done this in a while. Spec sheet. So this is the interior of the Kia Stonic. Simple design. Actually, it's not bad. I know there's gloss black here, but the silver trim, whatever it's called, probably metal or plastic. It's fine. It looks good. It's not too much anyway. Yeah, you have your pads here. I did put my phone here before in the test drive in Landers. Actually, it looks it may look small, but if I put my phone there, I actually drove the Stonic enthusiastically quite in Landers. Actually, my phone did not fly out at all. And the cool thing is, there is space to charge your phone. So for your wire here, just put it down here. You can put even more stuff. Probably another smaller phone here. So not bad at all. You have also a 12-volt socket here. Oh, it's blank. Sorry. This infotainment has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in it. Yep, there's a manual handbrake. That's cool anyway. Oh yeah, you have two cup holders here. Probably this another probably for your phone or your coins. Big cubby space. Actually, there's a lot of cubby spaces here. The thing is, there is no central armrest. Even though this is the top trim. That's a bummer, but it's fine. Glove box. Oh, oops. Okay, that's big. Look, that's a lot of papers and big book. That's good. So, as again, gloss black around here, even on the aircon. There are differences with as I said earlier, with this top trim EX and the LX trim. Your bottle holders and more spaces on either door. Oops. Ignore that. That's probably for the fuses. Oh yeah, you have your... Okay, that doesn't work. The light here and visor. 3, 2, 1. Nope. Failed. But it's fine. It's a budget car anyway. Steering, you have your volume controls here. Yeah, before I leave, this only has tilt steering. It's not telescopic, bummer, but it's fine. It's a budget crossover. So let's go to the back. Here in the back of the Kia Stonic, again, very simple. You only have bottle holders on either door, speakers here, and ISOFIX feathers here. And there's no central armrest as well. And as I've mentioned earlier, look at that. There's no central armrest, but the third is there is a lot of cubby spaces. You can store a lot. Probably, as I said in front, probably for coins, money. You can fit some phones here like that as well. Yeah, sorry, that's the only Kia thing I can do. So sitting here in the middle is actually fine. So the hump in the middle is not too big. So if I go back to my driving position, this is my driving position. I have a lot of knee room, foot room as well. That's actually not bad, and you have a lot of headroom as well. Yeah, that's about it. Let's go to the back. So here you have your rear view parking camera. I tried it in Landers. It may be not the best out there, but at least there is. So this is how the boot looks like. So this is the boot. So with the seats up, it is 325 liters, same as the Rio, which is based on. But the difference is here, okay, there's space, a lot of space in the back, but look, that's how tall my bag is. The load lip is quite high. There, so be careful when you pull stuff out. It might, there, that's what I mean. It has one feature in the boot only. This light. that's it. So now I will show you with the with the seats down. Just wait a moment. And now with the seats down, you have 1,155 liters of space. So that's not bad. Actually, it's the same as the Rio, so which I'm questioning about. It's still fine. So you can now load more items, load more taller items here. So you have a space saver tire underneath. Let's go to the engine. So open up the engine. This shares the same engine with the Kia Rio and the Kia Saluto. It's a 1.4 4-cylinder engine. It produced this one, the auto trims, even this one, produces 100 horsepower and 132 Newton meters of torque. Only the manual has the same torque figure but 5 horsepower less. Also, I forgot to mention the top of the trim model, the EX, has disc brakes. The rest of the lineup has drum brakes. So we're done. Let's go for a drive. I cannot believe I'm back with this car. I drove this in Pasig again, and now it's with me again. If I had the money, I would have bought this one now. It keeps calling to me. Okay, like my first impression still, the gearbox is slow, but it's geared for fuel efficiency, so that's not a bad thing at all. So it can be easily reactivated. Just put in manual, everything will be fine. Transmissions, whoops, are smooth. Even if we put manual, fast upshift, fast downshift. There, not bad at all. It's noisy, but it's a budget car. What do you expect? It's fine. Yes, the trade-off of a firm suspension, yeah, you can feel the bumps, so on and so forth. But another trade-off for it, it's a good handling car. As I tried it in Landers Pasig with the back route and everything. You know what? It reminds me of dare I say it, a low-budget Mini Cooper. Not good for me. Just my opinion. So let's try manual mode and power. Responsive enough. I like it. It's not like this. Change. Oh, we're go. No. It's pull change, push change. It's good. Also, the steering is very, very light. So a bit too light for my liking. But for first-time drivers, this won't be a problem whatsoever. It's a good first car as well. Okay, brakes. I won't say too responsive, but it's very strong. Okay, for me it's fine. Just be warned about the brakes. It can be a bit sudden when you push the brakes. And as AutoDeal mentioned, the aircon is freaking cold. I can say. And why do I say it handles like a Mini? Reminded me of the firm suspension, the handling, and yeah, the firm ride. It's kind of familiar, but it's not bad. Doesn't feel too underpowered as well, so that's a good thing for this kind of subcompact crossover SUV, whatever. Just it's a hatchback that's been raised up, but it's fine. I don't mind the firmness because it has a sporty character. This Stonic, something I like, and something what's missing in this subcompact or in the crossover market in general. Yeah, it's one of the few crossovers that I like as well. So not bad at all. Okay, the transmission in drive mode, if kind of familiar with the Santana GTS. It's there's slight hesitation, but when it gets going, it gets going. So okay, I kind of forgive it now. I can forgive both cars because they're both geared for fuel efficiency. These are not sports cars in such a way. But I might prefer this over the Santana in some way. I like it so much. So yeah, I said what I needed to say. I'll see you back in the showroom, and I'll give my verdict on this car. I'm red. Actually, this is after the dealership part. On my verdict, for some reason, some of the last part got cut, so I'm doing it again. Literally, what's my verdict on the whole car? Is the Kia Stonic worth buying? Yes, because for me, it's one of the best subcompact crossovers you can buy today. As I said, it's like again, and again, like a Mini Cooper, and it's a fun car to drive around, even just here in the city, around the city. I can't imagine what it's like on a highway, on twisty roads, so on and so forth. But hope you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you very very soon with more future car reviews. Hopefully with Kia again. Why not? Bye.